In the comments. It's in there. Okay, here come that LSA truck on nitrous. Okay. See, get my cup. TM say this what he talking about. Where y'all going, man? This right here, look. TikTok. Check out that YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Top off King. There it go right there. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. He was spinning. Spinning ain't winning. Look out, look out. We got a lot of races coming up ahead. All my people watching on TikTok, remember, my YouTube channel is Look Out Racing. That's right, look out. Y'all like that cam he got in there? Dale, dale. You ready? Okay. What about the other side? Yeah, it's time to visit. Yes, he come. Hey, yes, he come. Hola.
Where you at?
Yeah, it's good if you become a member now, because if you can't give $5 on this side, then we know you ain't gonna pay. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. What's up with it? Look out. You got the new stickers? You got a new sticker? Oh, you ain't get one? There you go. You can put that on your car. Okay, bet.
I was a baby, bro. I used to go to Canada a lot.
Look.
I used to go to Canada too. I appreciate that.
Already.
You know, I'm gonna add this motherfucker. Look, the one on my phone, look.
Damn, that bitch done hugged up. You can drop that bitch in the wall. Look,
I gave him mine.
Boom.
Bet.
Funky Town. Funky Town. Tacos. Tacos on me tonight. Tacos on me tonight. Funky Town can get a Kool-Aid, everything. With sauce and everything. Yeah, you get you a drink. Yeah, he get a drink and everything. Yeah, you want some, they say you want some corn too?
You want some local?
Yeah.
Put it on your car, man. Look out, baby.
Yeah. Taco Supermarket came. Yeah, we in the bit.
This ain't no setup right here, baby.
Oh, this ain't no setup.
It's that corn.
Yeah, they say corn too. He don't mess. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take care of him. Drink everything. Gonna give him a straw and everything. He gonna get a straw. We ain't gonna just give him the cup with the top on. We gonna give him a straw. My shit ain't that fast tonight. I can't beat that S10. What? I can't. That S10 flying, man. Y'all give me the back time to hit. I'll try it.
Tell the Trans Am, give us back time to break.
Back time to break.
They told us we too fast for it.
You need to get it right.
Let me see.
I can't really see it. Yeah, you have to look like it.
Oh, is he gonna catch that? Oh, he can't catch that. That bitch running, but it ain't running that much. Uh-oh, they finna do it again. Oh, they finna do it again. You betting again?
That's a different one.
Oh, that's a... Where you at? Where you at? Okay, she betting right here.
But this the setup.
Hey, man, you need to do a real burnout. Quit doing this. You need to do 2 or 3 burnouts.
At least 3.
I'm going to let them go to the 60 foot.
Oh. We gonna let him go to the...
Catch him, man. Now you ain't gonna let. If you let them go to 60 feather hunt, I'm gonna stay there. If you take off, take off before he do, you lose. Hey! If you take off before he gets them 60 foot, hey, feather hunters.
Okay.
You gotta let him get to the 60 foot.
Okay, he said he gonna let him get to the 60 foot. Hey, you gotta go down there and stand down there. Fuck it.